What's up, guys? This is Holy by Matt Redman. Love this song. The words are so good. Matt Redman has been writing awesome songs for years, and the guitar parts are really cool in the song as well, so that's always a plus when we can combine really sound lyrics with great guitar parts. So the song has two distinct guitar parts for sure. So again, my goal is always to combine those two parts into one part that kind of captures the essence of the song and hits on those parts that the listeners hear, so you're not missing out on a lot of stuff. Sometimes we have to make compromises to do that, but we do the best we can. So what you'll notice is I lean toward the high harmony part for the guitar, toward the beginning of the song, and then toward the end we go to like the raunchy lower part. You'll notice that guitar part does get pretty big and pretty aggressive. If you listen to the tracks isolated, it does that. I was quite surprised. And also the rhythm track on the song is like, it's almost like a synth. It's very like heavy and focused. It doesn't sound like a rhythm guitar at all, but it's listed as a guitar track. So I just played like humongous chords and just kind of slammed away at them. But love this song. It was super fun to do. So this is Holy by Matt Redman. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Intro. Verse. Chorus. Guitar in. Build. Verse. All in. Intro. Intro.